think you are so fine. Uh, my second video is community, and I'll give you the hint about the double top, double bottom, and triple top and triple bottom. Now I'll give you the next tutorial about the triple top. Okay, let's start. Guys, I'll today give you the triple top and triple bottom or four bottom in stocks and commodities. Okay, let's start about the triple top. Now we can start about the it's my rough drawing and I make for you. If suppose price is $30 and it can touch the $40, $45, $46 and it can retrace up to $40, then it can touch the $50 and again it can touch the $40. It is called the neckline. Okay, then it can bounce and double, it can touch the neckline and again it can bounce, it can touch the $50. That is the second top. Okay, then it can retrace and moving in $42, $48 and again it can touch the $50. That is the triple top. 1, 2, 3. $50 it can touch the $50 it can touch the 3 times. This is called the triple top. Okay, this is very simple to understand the chart about the any commodity and stocks. Okay, if you sell, you can understand to how to sell the commodity and stock market in triple top. Then it can down the 40 US dollar, you can make a sell position, it can do go down up to $20 or $10, $15, $28, it can touch 100%. Okay, now I'll tell about the triple bottom. Triple bottom is a very good sign for the downtrend market. Triple bottom or double bottom or four bottom. Double bottom, triple bottom and four bottom is the good sign for the downtrend market. I'll before give you the double bottom and triple bottom. Now I'll give you the tutorial about triple bottom, four bottom. Okay, some price is some stock and commodity price is $20 and can retrace up to $10, $15 and can down to $10 and it can touch the 3 or 4 5 times at $10 and then it can move up to jump up to $30. That is the sign that the it can make the double bottom, triple bottom and fourth bottom. That is good sign for the stocks, commodity and mutual funds also. You can make a position at that stock at the 30 US dollar level also, because if it can does not break the $30, it means there is a supply and demand is high at that stock and that commodity. You can make a good profit in coming years. Okay, I'm not talking about days, but it can you can make a good profit in coming years. Okay, let's understand the triple top. The formulation of the triple top is the rather than the what double bottom rising the market trend. Okay, the triple top is shows the market is in resistance area and it can goes the is lower momentum uh, against the market trend. $50 is resistance, $30. That might give the example. That's I give the example. It make the double top, triple top, four top, five top. It does not depend about the top, but technically we can talk about the top. We can see a one top, two top, three top, four top, five top, but it can does not breach the top area. That is the main resistance area. Okay, triple bottom. These three components are triple bottom line. First is people, second is social responsibility, and third is this fourth component. The first people, second responsibility, environmental sustainability, and profit. The bottom line. If some stocks is going to have bottom line, and it can make a good profit in commodity, and suppose another area, then it can jump to higher level. That's simple. The game of the commodity and stock market and cryptocurrency is the simple. It can depend the supply and demand. If supply is low and demand is high, the price is going high. If supply is low, demand is high, the price is going to high. And if supply is high, demand is low, the price is going to down. Simple strategy you have to follow to make a profit in commodity exchange and stock exchange. But these both exchange are regulated by the governments. One exchange is cryptocurrency is not regulated by the government, so you may don't trade in cryptocurrency without stop loss, because it can sometimes down 20% and sometimes it can go up to 40% up. There is a lot of uncertainty in cryptocurrency market, so you can invest in cryptocurrency, I suggest, but trade in stocks and commodities. Understand the triple top, double top, and four top, five top. And if the triple first bottom, second bottom, three bottom, and four bottom is the very important, I'll give you the tutorial about the four. There is lots of books, they tell about the double top, triple top, and they give the tutorial about the double top, triple top, and triple bottom, double bottom. I'll give you the one things more, and four bottom and triple bottom. Okay, then subscribe my channel. I'll give you more deep information regarding the cryptocurrencies, stock market, and how you can understand that what is the crypto. I'll give you the next tutorial about the how you can understand the invest in stock and commodity that make a triple bottom. Okay, let's subscribe my channel and like, share my video. I'll give you the simple way introduction about the stocks. They make the triple bottom, and you can buy and make a good profit in coming years. That's my guarantee. Okay, bye, see you.